Safety. Safety is something we should all think more carefully about. The world around us can be a pretty dangerous place. Even our homes are full of danger. Think about all the electric wiring, gas pipes, chemicals in the building materials, etc. All kinds of things could happen. It's a good job we have safety standards. Our governments make sure builders focus on safety. This is also true for the things we buy. You can usually find a small logo on electrical products that say the product is safe, and then there are instructions with safety guidelines. Food safety is also something lots of people work on. It works. People rarely get ill because of the food we buy in shops. Maybe it's not such a dangerous world after all.